Hey there, I'm Andrei from SimpleNet, and in today's video I'll show you how to install and configure the Fluent SMTP plugin in WordPress. Why do you need an SMTP plugin? Well, WordPress sends emails without authentication. Technically this works, but there's a high chance that your emails will get rejected by spam filters. That's why you need to send emails with authentication, and an SMTP plugin is the best way to do it. I recommend Fluent SMTP, so let's install it and set it up. Log in to your admin area, go to Plugins, Add New Plugin. In the search field, type Fluent SMTP. Click Install Now. Then activate. Now you can go to Configure the Fluent SMTP settings, or just go here to Settings. It takes you to the same page. And here you have the service provider connections. You can connect with AVS, Mailgun, SendGrid, Bravo, SparkPost, Netcore, Postmark, and all the others. If you have a cPanel hosting with email included, you can use the other SMTP setting. And here you can add your sender settings. The email, the name, the host, port, and username and SMTP password. Now, let's go to cPanel and create our email account. Go to Email Accounts, click Create. I'm going to choose my domain and add a name for this email address. I'm going to choose site, it doesn't really matter. Click Generate for the password. I'm going to copy this password. Then click Create. Now I have my email address. I'm gonna paste the password here. Also the email address. I'm gonna copy it and paste it here. Add the SMTP username. Also here from email. The name, I'm gonna put WP site. Now the host and the port. Here in cPanel, if you click Connect Devices, you can see the settings. So the incoming and outgoing server is mail.yourdomain. Copy it and add it here to SMTP host. Now the port, it says here 465, but this is for SSL. We're going to use TLS, so we're going to put 587. Leave everything else checked. And that's it. Save connection settings. Now you have a connection added in the Fluent SMTP plugin. Let's test it. Go to Email Test. Select the address we just added and send to, let's test the Gmail address and send test email. Email delivered successfully. Here at the email logs, you can see it's been sent, but let's see if it arrived. Yeah. Congrats. Test email was sent successfully. Okay, so that's it. That's how you configure Fluent SMTP to send emails through your cPanel hosting email. If you want to see more WordPress tutorials, let me know in the comments. Have a nice day.